What's good, my people, man. Listen, today is a special day for me, man, and for y'all. We got 100 subscribers, man. Finally, it took us three and some change months, but we got them subscribers. Sorry, man, how I'm looking. I know I'm looking crazy, need a haircut, all that type of stuff. But what we gonna do today is, man, you already know, man, I'm gonna do my giveaway today. So we gonna go buy all the stuff I'm gonna do for my giveaway. And most likely on Wednesday I'm gonna pick that winner. So you still got 3 days to subscribe and potentially win. So but I just want to thank everybody, man, because it's the, like I said, I reiterate this in all my videos. I didn't think I was gonna get past, man, 10, maybe 15 subscribers. And look at this, 3 months go by and I actually, you know, got a milestone, which is 100. So I'm pretty proud of myself, man. I appreciate all of y'all for watching, taking your times out your day to watch these videos. Because again, it is, you know, it's time. It's taking y'all time out your day. Y'all could be doing other stuff. So I appreciate y'all for giving y'all time to my channel. But today is Sunday, tomorrow is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day to all the veterans, man, everybody. Thank y'all for your support. And we're about to go pick up these gifts, man, these giveaway items, man. So, but first, I gotta wash my car, man. My car is filthy. I haven't washed my car in about 2 months, just because I've been busy working and making sure I got other stuff done first. So we're about to go get a quick car wash, then we're gonna go pick up all the items for the giveaway, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the store, y'all. Boom, we out. So finally got the car all nice and washed up. Hey, man, she looking good. Looking good. Quick walk around for y'all. Oh man, I ain't seen her this clean in months. Woo-hoo-hoo. Damn, she look good. Alright, man. So we in the AutoZone parking lot right now. Oh, excuse the background noise, but we in AutoZone parking lot right now, man. So we finna go in here and get a subscriber, some car cleaning kit. Damn, I don't know why I couldn't get that. It was a little tongue twister real quick. All right, so let's go in here. All right, so for sure getting a bucket. Gotta have a bucket. Put your soap in. Thing you gotta get. This is my favorite tire shine. Matter of fact, I'm gonna buy 2 of them. I'm gonna do a separate review on these. This is the best stuff. So let me get another can of that. Microfiber cloths. Oh, these are pretty nice. Little wipey thingies. Nah, we don't need those. We're gonna do soap. What else, guys? What else we need? We got interior. Boom. Interior. Alright, so that's everything we got right there, man. We got some cloths. We got some quick wax for the outside. Ooh, what is that? Oh, okay, just a little diesel truck, but we got some quick wax for the outside. We got some interior detail cleaning stuff for the inside, and then we got some tire shine, and gotta have a soap. Gotta clean her up with the soap and a bucket. Now, this is for the giveaway winner. I know it ain't some of the most top high-end stuff, but you know, it's free stuff, and it's just for a quick little, you know, a little car kit for whoever wins this. So hopefully, like I said, you guys got into Wednesday. Oh, let me put this in the back. Like I said, you guys got into Wednesday to I'm gonna pick a winner on Wednesday. So whoever the winner is, you know, I'm gonna probably send them a message on Instagram, or if you don't have an Instagram, email something, figure out an address and stuff so I can ship it out to you. But that's it. That's all I got for y'all, man. Good luck to whoever the winner is. I got a nice little clean car clip cleaning bucket for you too. So it's got soap, it's got soap, tire shine, cloths, interior cleaner, and exterior cleaner, so for the wax. But there y'all go, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Stay tuned, because it's only one of probably thousands of giveaways I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing them. The next one I'm gonna do is gonna be at 500, then 1,000, then 5,000, then 10,000, and then from 10,000 is gonna be to probably 50, and then from 50 to 100. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all subscribing, man. Don't miss these giveaways. So if you're watching this video, man, just comment below. Put anything. You can put done. You can put winner, anything. So I'm gonna pick a winner on Wednesday. So make sure y'all stay tuned for Wednesday. All right, guys. But I hope y'all like this video, man. I'm out. Happy Memorial Day, man. I hope all the families are having a good time, man. Spend time with your family. So I'm out, y'all. Oh my God. Ambulance messing up my video, making me redo my outro, y'all. I can't believe that. But anyway, happy Memorial Day again, man. Enjoy your time with your family, guys. I hope y'all have be safe, man. Have a good holiday. Peace. I'm out, y'all.